Solve square root of 2x plus 5, subtract 3, is equal to the square root of x minus 2. We already have one of our radicals isolated, so let's start by squaring both sides of the equation appropriately. So, since I'm squaring a binomial on the left, I would have an a square, a minus 2 times a times b, and a plus b squared. Now on the right hand side, I'm just squaring a square root, and so that would just give me an x minus 2 on the right. Cleaning up the left hand side, the square root of 2x plus 5 squared is 2x plus 5. Minus 2 times the square root times 3, so that's minus 6 times the square root of 2x plus 5. And then plus 3 squared, that's a plus 9. And that's x minus 2. Cleaning up a little bit more, that would give me a 2x plus 14 minus 6 times the square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to x minus 2. Now, let's isolate the remaining radical term. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides and subtract 14 from both sides. So then negative 6 times the square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to negative x minus 16. Now, the next step is not necessary. I'm just going to do this to make the numbers a little bit easier. I'm going to multiply through both sides by negative 1. Because there's just so many negatives going on here, I would just be worried about confusing myself. So that would give me 6 times the square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 16. Now I have the square root term isolated. I'm going to go ahead and square both sides again. So then that would give me 6 squared, square root of 2x plus 5 squared is equal to x plus 16 squared. So then that's 36 times 2x plus 5 is equal to, now x plus 16 squared, that's x squared plus 32x plus 256. So that's 72x plus 180 is x squared plus 32x plus 256. Now, subtract the 72x, subtract the 180, and so then we have 0 is x squared minus 40x plus, let's see, that would be 76. The right-hand side factors as x minus 2 by x minus 38, which implies that x equals 2 and x equals 38. Now, whenever you've squared both sides of an equation, you've got to check your work. You got to check those solutions to make sure that they're appropriate. So let's do a check here. If x equals 2, we'd have the square root of 2 times 2 plus 5 and then minus 3. And the right hand side would be the square root of 2 minus 2. Well, that's a 0 on the right. On the left, you've got the square root of 9 minus 3, and that equals 0. So x equals 2 works. X equals 38. You got the square root of 2 times 38 plus 5 minus 3. So let's see, the square root of 2 times 38 is 76 plus 5. That's the square root of 81 minus 3. And on the right-hand side, you've got the square root of 38 minus 2. So that's the square root of 36. And that's 9 minus 3 equals 6. That checks out as well. So we can be confident that both of our solutions are in fact solutions of the equation.